Businesses and IT organizations can preserve their cash without limiting their growth prospects. And the way to do that is get creative. There are some models that you can come up with that you may not have thought about before that you should be thinking about today. Things like bartering. Look at some of your close partners, your really trusted partners and suppliers, and figure out what they need and what you need, and see if there's an opportunity for you to barter for goods between them. Not necessarily exchanging cash, but really bartering for goods and services. Now, this doesn't do anything for cost cutting, but if you're in the situation of having a cash or credit crunch, this can be a way of you continuing to grow and run your business. Look at things like pay-as-you-use types of options with some of your suppliers. Work with some of your consulting organizations to see if they'll be willing to do royalty-based activities. So in other words, once a consulting group finishes a project, they would get a royalty based on getting a specific return on investment rather than doing any upfront payments. Do some simple things, like look and see if you can change your payment terms on some of your contracts from 6 months or once every 3 months rather than an upfront type of a payment. So get creative about the types of business models that you're working with today with your customers, your suppliers, and your providers, and you can find ways to keep your business going without having to infuse a lot more cash into the system.